Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about independent clause. Let's get started. Now, an independent or main clause contains a subject and a predicate and expresses a finished thought. Thus, it can stand alone as a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. Sarah wants to study Spanish. Now this is an independent or main clause and notes that it contains a subject and a predicate, and it expresses a finished thought. Also note that this sentence can stand alone. The independent clause is a simple sentence when dependent clauses within one sentence are absent. Have a look at the examples below. I don't want to go to the pub tonight. Now this is a simple sentence. I have to work tomorrow. This is also a simple sentence, an independent clause. Now the independent clause forms a complex sentence together with a dependent clause. Now in this case, make sure to use a conjunction. Have a look at the example below. I don't want to go to the pub tonight because I have to work tomorrow. Now this is a complex sentence consisting of an independent clause and a dependent one. Now the two clauses are connected with the help of a conjunction, because. Also note that two independent clauses can form a sentence. Now in this case, make sure to use a semicolon. Have a look at the examples below. My little sister doesn't like reading. She falls asleep within 2 minutes. Now these are two independent clauses connected with a semicolon. Lucy has a business trip in a week. Lucy's mom will help with the kids. Again, two independent clauses connected with a semicolon. Here is a short story using independent clauses. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Why can't I have a sleepover? Mom, you promised me that I could invite my friends over this week. I'm sorry, honey, but let's do it some other time. Our grandma is staying with us. It would be too noisy. But Mom, you promised me. I'm very sorry, sweetheart. Let's do it next Friday, okay?